The 10 best foods to help fight stress. 1. Herbal tea helps promote feelings of warmth and calmness. Past research has suggested that holding and sipping a warm beverage increases feelings of interpersonal warmth and friendliness. There's a soothing effect of sipping a warm drink, regardless of the flavor, but certain herbs, like lavender and chamomile, have been shown to have a relaxing effect on their own. 2. Dark chocolate offers an antioxidant-rich indulgence. Dark chocolate in the diet can reduce stress in two ways, via its chemical impact and its emotional impact. Chocolate feels like such an indulgence that it can be a real treat to simply savor a piece of it, and that feeling alone can help to reduce stress. It's also important to choose high-quality dark chocolate. You may have heard about the bean-to-bar movement, which focuses on high-quality ingredients and in-house responsibility for every aspect of the chocolate-making process. This farm-to-table approach ensures the bar is packed with pure components and no hidden additives or chemicals. Look on the label for 2 or 3 ingredients only, such as cacao beans, cane sugar, and cocoa butter. 3. Whole grains provide a mood-boosting way to carbo-load. According to prior research, carbohydrates can temporarily increase levels of serotonin, a hormone that boosts mood and reduces stress. Once serotonin levels are increased, people under stress have better concentration and focus. 4. Avocados offer stress-busting omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados are not only delicious mashed into guacamole or sliced and added to a salad, they also offer omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy essential acids are known to reduce stress and anxiety, boost concentration, and improve mood. The possible superpower of avocados goes beyond their omega-3 fatty acids. They also consist of phytochemicals, fiber, and essential nutrients. 5. Fish can boost your heart health while fending off stress. Fight stress and help prevent heart disease by adding seafood to your plate. Fatty fish in particular are a great option because they're heart-healthy, and their omega-3s may help ease depression because the nutrients easily interact with mood-related brain molecules. Not a fish fan? There are other whole food options, like seaweed, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and fortified food, such as certain brands of eggs, milk, soy milk, and nut milk. You can also try omega-3 supplements in the form of fish oil. 6. Warm milk can help you get a good night's sleep, aiding stress management. Sipping warm milk before bed is a centuries-old home remedy for getting a better night's sleep. Warm milk can have a relaxing effect on the body as well as on a psychological level. For people who grew up drinking warm milk before bed, the routine can signal that it's time to go to sleep. 7. Nuts are a great stress-busting snack and they're high in healthy fat. Nuts are full of nutrients, including B vitamins, along with healthy fatty acids. B vitamins are an important part of a healthy diet and can help reduce stress. Almonds, pistachios, and walnuts may even help lower blood pressure levels. According to a past study, pistachios in particular can have a role in reducing stress levels. Just remember to limit servings to just a handful a day to avoid excess calories. 8. Citrus fruits and strawberries contain vitamin C, which help fight stress. Some studies have found that high levels of vitamin C may help ease stress levels. Vitamin C and vitamin E and found a significant decrease in anxiety levels in the vitamin C group compared with other groups. Eating fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and strawberries is a good place to start. 9. Probiotics can create a healthy gut microbiota, helping you manage stress. The best way to support healthy gut hormones is with good-for-you bacteria called probiotics. Probiotics can help boost the immune system, protect against harmful bacteria, and improve digestion and absorption of nutrients. 10. Foods high in fiber may reduce stress and anxiety. Fiber-rich foods are gut-friendly and can play a role in lowering stress. Eating beans, green peas, berries, almonds, pistachios, flaxseed, sesame seeds, and lots of greens, like kale and broccoli. Whole grains are also fiber champs. Often whole grain-based foods will have a symbol or wording on the package saying so, but look for whole grain or whole wheat listed in the first ingredient to be sure.